Half a day.
Reach out and touch
Half a like
someone.
Mamolika.
Reach out and just say hi.
Half a day. Hunggan. Half a day todos Santos Manilu, Manaynaw, Sainaw, todos Santos Ganoon sa Island Marianas, sa Ipan, Tinian, Luta, Zanguahan. Magofo sa Manihita, Pagugwini na okasyon. And todos Santos Loco Ginogi America, Viva! Half a day todos Santos. And to our visitors who are coming to our beautiful Latistone Islands, welcome and a big half a day to you. So, I'd like to teach you how to say half a day the island way. Just reach out and touch someone. Half a day. In the pretty islands of Marianas, you see and hear the children sing as the local people wave and say a simple greeting word called half a day. With a happy smile on the face, you can bet you're in a friendly place, really meaning what they say. Each time they simply say half a day. Half a day, Toru Malik, how are you? Half a day, Toru Malik, thank you. Half a day, half a day, half a day, half a day, half a day. Half a day. All the Chamorro say this word, and they say it many different ways. Like when you meet a Chamorita girl, you softly say, hey, half a day. And if you ever need a native friend or a helping hand along the way, wear a friendly smile and talk some Moro style. Hey, bro. Half a day. Half a day, Toru Malik, how are you? Half a day, Toru Malik, thank you. Half a day, 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 half